What's up, MoFlows? This your girl Morgan, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this super easy and cute protective style. I'm starting on an old twist style, and I'm going to be sectioning my hair off and putting each section into rubber bands. I'm going to do about 4 rows, and in each row is going to be 3 to 4 braids. I like doing a rubber band method just because it makes the style a lot easier, and then the parts with the rubber bands just makes everything look a little bit more precise. So I'm going to be using my favorite products today. Of course, olive oil, Eco Styler gel, and Dark and Lovely Gem Extra Hold. I'm going to be using this for my parts and while I'm braiding my hair. I love these together. They keep my 4C hair smooth with no frizzies. Like, it's just amazing. Now I have all of my sections twisted up, and I'm going to be adding the braiding hair. At first, I was using the expression braiding hair, but I just did not like how it blended. So I went back and used the Queen Bee braiding hair in 1B, which you can get from your local beauty supply store, including the Eco Styler gel and the jam. I like to use the jam to smooth out on my hair while I'm braiding, and I also like to make sure I tuck my natural hair behind the braiding hair just to make sure everything is blended. But then again, like I said, I did go back and use the Queen Bee. I just like how it looked better with my hair. Okay, y'all, with some of these sections, I did redo the braids about 2 times to get it exactly how I wanted it. So you may not get it perfect the first time, which is totally okay, as long as you get it how you want it to look. This is a DIY style, so that's really all that matters. Now I'm going to be adding the perm rods to the ends of the hair. I use white and purple rods to achieve the size that I wanted in curls. And I did cut a good amount of hair left at the ends because it was just a little bit too much and I wanted it to remain tight on the perm rods. Now this is after I have dipped the hair in hot water. I dipped it in there for about 15 seconds and I let it dry for about 35 minutes. Then I sprayed my Africa's Best Olive Oil Shine, and this just gave my hair that extra little pop and gloss. So now I'm going to be putting the braids into a high bun. This is the style that I was going for. You don't have to do a high bun. You can do half up, half down, or a lower bun, but this is what I was going for. Now I have my braids into a bun. I'm just going to be taking a rubber band and putting it at the top of my bun. This just helped frame my hair for my face. I did have to cut some of the frizzy hair away that was in the curls, just to make it look a little bit more neater. And I did bobby pin some things down too. Now I'm just going to relay my edges. I did put some mousse on them last night and laid it with my satin scarf. But now I'm just going to be applying the even edge control in the purple container, which I love. It doesn't leave any white residue for me at all on my edges. So that was something that I wanted to use with this hairstyle. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and check out my wash and go on my 4C hair. Thanks.